warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Sheliana Amanda Yusuf, who will serve as moderator in the film review presentation. Well guys, so here we take the film Neza to review. After reading many reference and having watched the film, we think this film Neza has a rating of 8.5/10, meaning the film has proven to be quite good and very interesting to watch. In this film, we learn a lot from moral message, social life, and prejudice. So, just look at the film review.
Introduction. Neza is an animated film that tells a very famous Chinese mythology. Director Liu Zi, producer Yuan Yun, Li Wenzhang, skenario Jia. Story Ikiao Wi Yun Yun, cast Lu Yanting, Joseph Han Mo, Han Hao, Luki, Zhang Jiaming, Yang Wei, musical arranger Wan Pin Chu, production company Chengdu Coco Kraton, distributor Beijing Light Picture, release date 11 Juli 2019 di Beijing, 13 Juli 2019, 26 Juli 2019, 25 September 2019 di Indonesia. Duration 10 menit. Country China. Synopsis. Neza was born from a demon pill that was accidentally confused due to the action of a tuning god. He was born from the womb of Yin, who was the wife of Li Jing, a famous war general who ruled the city area. Will Neza really become a demon who will destroy the world according to his destiny? Or will he choose another path? Case Neza Aobing, Li Jing Yin, Tang Zirin, Xin Gangbao, Shi Tinzu.
Auras from heaven and earth met a pearl was great that had tremendous power. Yuanxi Tianjun, heavenly king, spread the pearl into two pills, the spiritual pill and the demon pill. The spiritual pill will transform into a man destined the user in the new Zhou dynasty. Meanwhile, the devil pill will give birth to a devil who can destroy the world. Therefore, Yuanxi Tianjun create a lightning summon incarnation that would destroy the demon pill within 3 years. Yuanxi Tianjun had two disciples, namely Tai Zhenre and Shen Gongbao. Finally, the task of guarding the pearl pill, which was destined to fall to Tai Zhenre, and this is where began to burn from the tiger demon god, namely Shen Gongbao. After so long, finally someone who was destined had to be born into the world. General Yin and his wife Lady Yin were the people chosen to give birth. The destined child through the pearl pill. In the end, Tai God came down to earth to carry out this mandate minute by minute. The ritual of activation the pearl pill was about to begin. But Shen Gongbao carried out cunning action by manipulation the conscience of the servant of the General Li Jing president to steal the spiritual pill. And Lo Tai never recovered from his drunkenness due to the action of the servant who would be manipulated by Shen Gongbao. In the end, at the least, second of the ritual, the spiritual pearl pill was stolen and the demon pill up being implemented into the destined child of General Li Jing and Lady Yin. Neza is an incarnation born from a demon pill by accident. Neza, who was just born in the form of lamb of the place, began to cause chaos among the local residents by attacking with the power of fire. After that boy came out with the power of fire, the figure began to attack village, not remain silent. Tai immediately to action by a spell at Neza. The little devil Neza fell with around his neck to seal his devil powers of the next 3 years. Tai, who saw that the little devil was helpless, finally intended to cut him down but was broken by Lady Golden Girl to see the child she had been trying for 3 years and 6 months, killed just because of accident. However, Neza was destined to be burned into the wall even though it was a bad condition. And finally, the decision was made by General Li Jing and Lady Yin that they would continue to care for Neza as their biological health on condition that they take war and not let Neza roam freely out there so that the life of surrounding community remains safe. 1 year has passed. Neza has finally grown into the figure of a small child with a demonic aura in her. No one dared to approach him apart from his father and mother. Neza felt lonely because he was isolated and hated by local residents because of his identity. In fact, he just wanted someone to play with, but no one was willing to play with him. His father and mother rarely had time with him because they were busy exterminating the demons out there to protect their territory. Neza had the idea to prank the gods so they could leave the house. Then Neza went to the city center to prank the resident and cause chaos. After that incident, Neza was incredibly looked up by her parents. Neza's parents then looked her away so that Neza could play freely and residents no longer need to be afraid Neza's presence. Tai had the idea of bringing Neza to the magical world by using his brush which could make anything come true and at the same time train Neza to use magic. After a year, Neza may she continued to train, but her strength and emotion were not controlled and finally Neza's father forbade Neza to use her strength. Neza got annoyed and managed to steal Tai's brush. Finally, he left the magical world and went to play on the beach.
Evaluation until finally he met a water demon who was about to eat a dog. Neza tried to block and beat him, but the water demon ran away and kidnapped a small child. Luckily, the water demon was defeated by Aubing, who was born by a dragon with a spiritual fire from Saint Bow. Neza did not assume that the demon was simple defeat and a battle broke out between Neza and Aubing. Without them realizing, the demon had risen and looked for an opportunity to release his move is that if they are hit by the bubble they will turn into stone. Aubing, who saw the demon, I think I smiled chill, immediately rushed to save her. But the smart chill had turned into stone and Aubing was hit by the mob. Neither, however, who saw this did not remain silent. After losing the man gave the untouched water to Neza. Aubing thanked Neza for helping him and finally the two of them played together. However, Aubing said goodbye to Neza and gave a shell to kill Aubing like highness art.
Evaluation. The residents come and took the little child, but Neza was beaten and cursed at by the residents. Neza finally went berserk. Not long after, Tai came and tied Neza up so she wouldn't go berserk again. Apart from that, Albin's father said that previously, the dragon tribe was highly respected for helping residents from sea demons. But increasingly, the dragons were shunned by residents because they were considered sea monsters. Therefore, Albin's father advised to free the dragon tribe who were trapped in sea prisons. After this incident, Neza looked very gloomy. Mother tried to cheer her up
by telling her that the residents would attend her birthday party. Neza, who heard this, was happy and rushed to the cottage to invite Aubin to come to her birthday party. On the day of his birthday party, Gongbao suddenly came and told him the origin of Neza, who was made from devil pills and would be destined to die at his birthday party. When Neza came out, they looked very gloomy. Tai and the others tried to cheer up Neza. He got a fire spear, shaved scarf, and to Kang that can be customized according to the owner's wishes. Neza's father gave a talisman and then advised Neza to keep fighting to face the future.
But Neza, who already knew his origin, immediately went berserk to the point of removing the silk rope around his neck. General Jing and Tei immediately rushed to try to calm Neza. Aubing, who felt sorry for Neza, asked Shen Gongbao to read Neza next seal. But Shen Gongbao told Aubing that the two of them were destined to be demons of wood, not be respected by human. Without thinking, Aubin took Neza's seal and rushed to help him. At the same time, when Neza wanted to kill his father quickly, Aubin saved Neza's father. Neza immediately fought with Aubin. Neza, who had fallen into Aubin's trap, immediately told Tae to using the Neza seal. When Neza had subsided, Aubin immediately left, but at that moment, General Li Jing immediately opened Aubin's cloak, which was a dragon demon. People who saw it felt afraid and disgust. They just found out that the spiritual pill was stolen by the dragon wand to report to the heavenly king so that the dragon would be punished. Aubin, who heard this, immediately went berserk. Because the fate of the dragon was in Aubin's hands, he made the entire village covered in ice so that no one could get out of the city and no one could report to the Sky King. Tapi ketika Neza sudah mengetahui asal-usulnya, ia langsung ngamuk sampai-sampai melepas segel yang melilit di lehernya. Nah, Jenderal Li Jing dan Tai segera menenangkan Neza. Nah, Aubing yang merasa kasihan kepada Neza meminta Shen Gongbao mengembalikan segel leher Neza. Tapi Shen Gongbao memberitahu Aubing tentang bahwa ia ditakdirkan menjadi iblis dan tidak akan dihormati oleh manusia. Nah, tapi tanpa pikir panjang, Aubing langsung mengambil segel Neza dan bergegas untuk membantunya. Singkat cerita, Aubing berhasil menenangkan Neza dengan menyegel kekuatannya dibantu dengan Tai. Ketika amarah Neza sudah mereda, Aubing segera pergi. Tetapi pada saat itu juga Jenderal Li Jing segera membuka jubah Aubing. Nah, disitulah Aubing tersepil bahwa ia adalah iblis naga. Nah, orang-orang yang melihatnya merasa takut dan jijik. Tai yang baru saja mengetahui bahwa pil spiritual dicuri oleh para naga ingin langsung melapor ke Raja Langit agar para naga dihukum. Tetapi Aubing yang mendengar hal itu langsung mengamuk karena nasib para naga ada di tangan Aubing dan akhirnya Aubing membuat seluruh desa tertutup es sehingga tidak ada yang bisa keluar kota dan tidak bisa melapor ke Raja Langit. On the other hand, Neza finds out the truth that her father died to sacrifice his life to save Neza from her curse. Neza was really shocked and felt guilty when her parents tried to fight Aubing. Neza came on time to help save them and immediately fought against Aubing. A spectacular fight between Neza and Aubing cannot be avoided. When Aubing wanted to kill his parents, Neza quick help and was hit hard by Aubing. Then Aubing turned into a dragon to level the entire city with the ice dome he had made. Not remaining silent, Neza immediately recited a spell that made him moving the next seal to his hand. He wrenched with his strength to be able to protect the entire city. Aubing, who also didn't want to lose, also immediately released his full strength. But unfortunately, Aubing's strength was not comparable to Neza's strength, and in the end, Neza was able to defeat Aubing. But because Aubing was a precious friend to him, so he didn't want to kill him. Di sisi lain, tunggangan Neza menceritakan kebenaran bahwa ayahnya rela menukar hidupnya untuk menyelamatkan Neza dari kutukan. Neza yang mendengar hal tersebut sangat terkejut dan merasa bersalah. Ketika orang tuanya mencoba melawan Aubing, Neza datang tepat waktu untuk menyelamatkan mereka dan segera bertarung melawan Aubing. Dan disitulah terjadi pertarungan spektakuler antara Neza dan Aubing. Nah, Obing berubah menjadi naga untuk menimbun seluruh kota dengan kubah es yang dia buat. Tidak tinggal diam, Neza segera membacakan mantra, membuat segel di lehernya bergerak ke tangannya. Dia mengamuk dengan selai kekuatan untuk mampu melindungi keseluruhan kota. Obing juga tidak mau kalah. Dia juga segera menyerang dengan kekuatan full. Tapi sayangnya, kekuatan milik Obing tidak sebanding dengan kekuatan milik Neza. Dan pada akhirnya, Neza mampu mengalahkan Obing. Tapi karena Obing adalah teman berharga baginya, jadi ia tidak ingin membunuhnya. When Neza faithful curse arrived, she immediately approached her parents and burned the amulet given to her by her father. She thanked him and apologized. Neza said that the only things she regretted was never playing with her father. On her birthday, which should have ended happy, had to end tragically because of the curse. When Neza was facing her curse, Obing came and tried to protect her with the power of her dragon magic, but unfortunately, her dragon power could not stem the power of the Neza curse, until in the end, the both decided to die together. When they held hands instead, their powers became one and absorb the power of the curse. They pulled the curse by discovering the power. They did not remain silent. He immediately saved them. They immediately let his power disappear in order to be able to seal their soul into the bowling. Ketika kutukan Neza tiba, dia segera mendekati orang tuanya dan membakar jimat yang diberikan oleh ayahnya. Dia mengucapkan terima kasih dan meminta maaf. Neza mengatakan satu-satunya penyesalan ialah tidak pernah bermain dengan ayahnya. Di hari ulang tahunnya, yang seharusnya senang harus berakhir dengan tragis karena kutukan tersebut. Saat Neza menghadapi kutukannya, Obing datang dan mencoba melindunginya dengan kekuatan sihir naganya. Tapi sayangnya, kekuatan naga tidak bisa membendung kekuatan kutukan Neza. Hingga pada akhirnya mereka berdua memutuskan untuk mati bersama. Pada saat itu juga mereka langsung berpegangan tangan. Tapi kekuatan mereka malah menjadi satu dan menyerap kekuatan kutukan. Lalu mereka melawan kutukan dengan membalikan kekuatan tersebut. Taeyi tidak tinggal diam. Dia segera menyelamatkan mereka. Taeyi segera melepaskan kekuatannya agar bisa menyegel jiwa mereka ke dalam Bowlin. Neza's parents felt very sad. But Taeyi explained that their soul would live on the Bowlin. After that incident, all the residents cannot as a form of respect for Neza. Orang tua Neza merasa sangat sedih, namun Taeyi menjelaskan bahwa jiwa mereka akan tetap hidup di dalam Bowlin. Setelah kejadian itu, seluruh warga berlutut sebagai bentuk penghormatan kepada Neza.
Qualitative final assessment. In our opinion, the Neza film is very interesting to watch. Apart from the cool animation, the storyline is also quite interesting plus the fitting action. The film also has a strong message about self-acceptance, fitting prejudice, and finding our place in the world. This message is conveyed in a way that children can understand and can also provide good lesson for adult audience. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: an interesting and entertaining story because this story is full of action, humor, and emotional moments, which makes it interesting for audience of all ages. Disadvantages: the storyline sometimes feels rushed because too much one action and battle. Character development and interpersonal relationship sometimes lack depth in the film Neza. This makes some emotional moments less strong. Then the moral message is too direct when this moral message is conveyed in a way that is too direct, so that it reduces the narrative of the story.
Evaluation to match that. Critic: the film Neza has a storyline that seems fake and focuses too much on fighting action. Suggestion: the film Neza by Jiaozi can be used as additional insight and knowledge for the audience regarding the literature, theories, and study used. Apart from that, the audience can also embody some of the moral values in this film in social life. Conclusion: there are two conclusions that can be drawn from this film, namely, first, if our motivation is truly to help others, then goodness will always win over evil. Secondly, no matter how bad or evil Neza is, he can also be good when he meets the right person.
That's our group film review presentation. As moderator, I apologize for the shortcoming. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.